Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In this tutorial today, we shall be learning how to effectively use Microsoft Excel to split names. We shall be learning how to automatically split names instead of doing it manually, which is a time waster. Splitting names is a common problem for most Excel users that don't know how the split name function works in Excel. Maybe you're working in Excel spreadsheet that has thousands of names that are not separated with comma like this one, or you're working with the one that are separated with comma like this. You can have it this way if you like it like this. You can even sort them alphabetically in this manner. All you have to do is to come to Data tab, select Sort, then you now decide how you want to sort it, whether it is A to Z or Z to A. So let's come out of this. Let's say I am given an assignment to separate the names first name and last name. If I don't want to manually do this by going to the individual names one after the other, copy and paste, which will consume my time for sure, then there should be an alternative to speedy up things for me. So this is where Microsoft Excel split names become handy. To do this, you highlight the column you want to split the name. In this tutorial, it is column A, or you hold down the Control key and tap on the spacebar to highlight the entire column you want to split the name. Then you go up to Data. From here, you select Data Tools Group. You select Text to Column. From dialog box, you say Convert Text to Column Wizard. Step 1 of 3. That means there are 3 steps we have to go to have the names splitted. So the first one say delimited. Characters such as comma, tab separate each field. So we select delimited and then press OK. By default, delimiters is in tab. So we uncheck tab, we select space, because here what we have is just space between the names. Then, as you might have noticed, from the sample provided here, we see what our spreadsheet will look like once we apply this function. So we'll press next. Here we have this screen, let you select each column and set the data format. So it's in general now. You may decide to use text if it's text only, or date. If you select date, select how you want the date to appear. But in this tutorial, I'm using general. So having selected general, I press on finish. As you might have noticed, it has separated the first name and the last name automatically and perfectly well. Let's also take a look at splitting the names with comma. I highlight the entire column that contains the name with comma that I want to split. I tap on a cell in the column, press down the Control key and tap on spacebar. It has highlighted the entire column. Then we'll go to Data tab, Data Tools Group, select Text to Column, select Delimited, press Next. Then here, since we have space and comma in between the names, we tick comma and then we tick space. We'll press Next. As you can notice, it has shown us an example of how it will be as well. Then we'll select General and then we'll press Finish. It has splitted the names and it splits the name perfectly as required. From here, you may decide to have the last name to be after the first name. All we have to do is to highlight the entire column. Then we use Ctrl plus X to cut the entire column. We come to column C. We use Ctrl plus V to paste the names. We can now delete column A. Since it contains no information, right click, select delete, and it has deleted it. Then we double click so that the names will fit in well. Text to column is your best friend. when you have a lot of name splitting to do. It is fast, easy, and time saving. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. See you in the next video.